Welcome to your perfect oasis in one of Naples' most coveted gated communities. This stunning single-family home offers the ultimate blend of luxury, comfort, and security, with gorgeous lake views. Enjoy a thoughtfully designed open floor plan with generous living spaces that seamlessly flow from room to room. Gourmet Kitchen, a chef's delight with high-end appliances, granite countertops, and ample cabinetry, perfect for cooking and entertaining. Relax in your master suite featuring a walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite bathroom. Dive into your private, sparkling pool surrounded by lush landscaping and lake views. Ideal for sunbathing, entertaining, or just unwinding in tranquility. Experience peace of mind with 24/7 gated security with exclusive amenities, including a clubhouse, fitness center, and basketball courts. Located in beautiful Naples, you'll have easy access to pristine beaches, world-class dining, shopping, and renowned golf courses. Easy 10-minute drive to beautiful Vanderbilt Beach. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity to live the Naples lifestyle you've always dreamed of and make this dream home yours.